If you want to create a folder in the home screen on Realme GT 7T, all you have to do is simply press and hold your finger on the first app that should be placed in the folder, like this, and then you want to drag and drop it on top of the other app that should be included in that folder. You will have this white outline, so you can drop the app, and there we go, the folder has been created. And of course we can change the position of the folder. You can press and hold your finger in order to enlarge the folder. You can also grab by this corner in order to make it, for example, this size, and so on and so forth. And of course we can tap over here in order to find the folder name. We can of course customize the folder name, and so on and so forth. If you press and hold, we also have the rename and ungroup option, and we can shrink the folder again if needed. We can keep adding new apps into the folder just by simply grabbing these apps and placing them on top of the folder. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.